Hello guys, welcome to the series of concept wise previous year question, and today we'll do a concept of square and rectangle area. So area based question, and the trend goes to, you can see May 16, May 16, September 16, December 18, July 19, December 2 questions. So every year almost one or two questions are asked. May 2 questions, September this 16 3 questions, 18 1 question, 19 3 questions. 19 means July and December. So the trend goes that at least one or two questions are asked from this topic. Going to this question was asked in December 19. So let's say the side of a square is 4 centimeter. It is cut into 4 equal squares. What is the area of each small square? So given that, let's say this was the square having side 4 centimeter each. Now the area of this square is nothing but side square, that is 4 square, that is 16 centimeter square. This bigger square of area 16 centimeter square, the whole area is getting divided into 4 equal parts. Now dividing this 16 into 4 equal parts will give you a 4 centimeter square of each. So that is asking question. The area of each small square will be 4 centimeter square, option 1. So this is one question which has come in December 19. Let's see. A 180 centimeter long wire is formed into a rectangle. If the width of this rectangle is 30 centimeter, what is the length? So a wire is there. We are bending the wire. Let's take we bent the wire from here and then we got to here, and then again bent and join to the initial point. It's saying that when we are forming this, the width we are taking is what? 30 centimeter. So even here also 30 centimeter. Is asking the length at two places. Now we know that perimeter of this rectangle means the length of boundary will be nothing but the length of the wire. So that is 180 centimeter. Now if I take 30 plus length plus 30 plus length is equal to 180 centimeter. This is 60. 12 is equal to 180 minus 60. So that will be 120. Now 12 is 120. L will be nothing but 60 centimeter. L is nothing but 120 by 2 then. So 60. Option 2, 60 centimeter. The length will be 60 centimeter. So this is one question which has come in July 19. Let's see. This question is based on perimeter. So let's take. The side of a square is 10 centimeter. One square is there. Its side is 10 centimeter. How many times will the new perimeter become if the side of the square is doubled? So initially the side of square is 10 centimeter. Now perimeter of square will be nothing 4 into side. So this will become 4 into 10, 40 centimeter. Initially it is 10 centimeter. With respect to that, the perimeter will be 40 centimeter. Now this side is becoming double from 10 to 20 centimeter. With respect to this, the same formula, what will the perimeter? 4 into side, 4 into 20 centimeter. So that will become 80 centimeter. Now how many times will become from with respect to the previous perimeter? How many times it is changing? If you see 40 into 2, you will get 80. Nothing but from initial, the final, after doubling the square side of the square, the perimeter is getting doubled from the initial. So that is option 4, 2 times. So this is one question which has come in December 18. Let's see. So if one small square is in the grid, is of area 4 square units, what is the perimeter of the rectangle drawn on the grid? It's given that it's this area of one square, or if you take any of this, this area is given as what? 4 centimeter, 4 units square. 4 units square. So we know that area of square is nothing but side square. That side square is what? 4 units square. That I can write as 2 units whole square. Now cancelling square on each side, what I will get is side is nothing but 2 units. Now each side is of 2 units. Even this is of 2 units, this is of 2 units, this is any side if you take, that will be of 2 units. Now it is asking what? Perimeter of this rectangle drawn. For the perimeter, I need the length of the boundary as well as the breadth of the boundary. So let's take, if I take this is the length, on this length, this is one side and that is 2, even this is side 2, 2 and this is also 2. If you take this is also 2, these are, because these are also the sides of the square. Now if I take this as the length is nothing but 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 times 2, 8. If I take the breadth, then breadth is nothing but 2 plus 2, 4 units. Now the same length will be there down also, 8 units, and the same breadth will be there on this side also, 4 units. Fine. Is asking perimeter, length of boundary, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 4, 24. So the perimeter of the rectangle is nothing but length of the boundary, and that is 24 units. Okay, so this is one question which has come in May 16. So let's see. On increasing each side of a square by 25%, the increase in area will be, let's take, there is a square whose side is 100 centimeter. Fine. Now it's saying that I have to make another square, bigger square, and what is the condition? That the side will be 25% more than that. Now 25% of 100 is 25 only. Fine. Now 25 more than that, nothing but 125 centimeter. Now if you take the area of this square, that is side square, 100 square, that is 100, 00. Now if you take the area of this square, that is same side square, that is 125 square. Now if you want to find 125 square, I can write this as 100 plus 25 whole square. Now 100 plus 25, a plus b whole square will be nothing but 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 25 plus 25 square. This is like 100, plus 2 into 25, 50. 50 into 100, 5000 plus 25 square is 625. Now this is the overall area of this bigger square. Now it's saying that how much percent the area will increase. So area from here has increased from to here. Now how many percent increase means we need to subtract initial value from the final value. Now if you subtract this minus this value will get cancelled. Now what will remain is 5000 plus 625, that is 5625. So this centimeter square is the increase from initial to final. That increase is asking in percentage. Now this is the increase over initial value. Initially this is the area. Now percentage means into 100. This 20 will cancel this 20. Means 5625 divided by 100. Divided by 100 means 2 zeros are there. From right side, place the decimal after 2 digits. So that is 56.25%. So that is third option. The area will increase from initial to final by this many percent when the side is increased by 25%.